Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To apply paragraph formatting to all text in a text-containing object in PowerPoint, click its border to select its object editing mode. However, note that some paragraph formatting options like the increase indent and decrease indent options are not available in this mode. Alternatively, to show all paragraph formatting options in PowerPoint or apply paragraph formatting to only selected paragraphs, click into the text within the object to place the object into its text editing mode. Then click and drag to select only the paragraphs to format. To apply paragraph formatting after selecting the paragraphs to format in PowerPoint, then click the desired buttons in the Paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. You can hover your mouse pointer over any button in this button group to see a screen tip that shows its name and function. You can click the drop-down arrows that appear to the right of some buttons, like the Bullets button, for example, to select a button choice from a drop-down menu that appears. Other buttons, like the Align Text Left and Increase Indent button, simply apply the button's formatting. Alternatively, to apply all paragraph formatting options to a selection in PowerPoint by using the Paragraph dialog box, click the Paragraph dialog box launcher button in the lower right corner of the Paragraph button group. To select your desired paragraph alignment, use the drop-down in the General section of the Paragraph dialog box. To set the entire paragraph indentation or set special paragraph indentation like a first line indent or a hanging indent, use the spinners and drop-downs in the Indentation section. To set the amount of spacing to apply before and after paragraphs, use the Before and After spinners in the Spacing section. To set line spacing for the selected paragraphs, use the Line Spacing drop-down and spinner. After setting the desired paragraph formatting, then click the OK button to apply it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.